Hello and welcome to my channel. Today without the car, today with electric bike. And trust me, I was very negative about electric bike, but after a few months I was changed my mind. And after this video, you will also change your mind about electric bike. Let's go around.
Okay, first let's unpack the bike. The bike comes in the large box. The bike weighs almost 35 kilograms, so don't try to put the bike out of the box. Just put it on the ground and cut the side of the box to open it on this way. Then cut all the plastic strips and remove the covers that protect each element of the bike. Inside the box you will also find all the necessary tools and the battery charger. And trust me, without even looking at the user manual, you can put everything together yourself in 30 minutes. And that's how our bike is ready to go. ENGWE Engine X is an electric bike, but you can also use it as a regular bike. This is what a bike K looks like. Unfortunately, the ignition switch is mounted from the button, and the key will always be dirty. It is a folding bike, but folding it is not very easy, at least for me. You can remove the battery and charge it at home little bit over 5 hours, or by the connection a cable to this place. The bike is also equipped with a 7-speed Shimano gears, an electric motor in the rear wheel, and the LED display with lots of information. We control the whole things from the left side of the handlebar. The electric motor has 5 gears, which makes it easier to us to ride, and an additional gear to support the bike. In addition, the bike has thick 20-inch tires, front and rear disc mechanical brakes. We have mudguards at the front and back, and the rack with a maximum load of up to 25 kilograms. And the rear shock absorber takes care of our comfort. We also have LED lighting at the front and at the back. I have only one objection about the battery charging socket cover. It is not very well designed and you have to cover this place with care, otherwise it will be exposed to weather condition. Time to ride. Who should switch to an electric bike? Actually everyone, because an electric bike is not only comfortable and easy and fast riding. You can also ride an electric bike without using electricity. The electric range allows us to ride a distance up to 50 miles or even more. It all depends on riding mode, road condition, maximum speed, and of course your weight. This bike can accelerate to over 50 miles per hour, which is very good speed for a bike, and after unlocking, to even 30 miles per hour. Of course, extreme off-road riding shortens the electric range, in my case to 35 miles. Fat tires give you many possibilities, and the bike will ride on almost any surface. Why did I choose electric bike? Because I have hip joint replaced and I'm waiting for the other one to be replaced. I have not used my old bike for 3 years or even more, because I was not able to do it. The electric bike allowed me to enjoy riding again, not only on the flat road, but even off-road. And that's all for today. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about the electric bike, whether you would like to ride an electric bike or maybe you already do. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your, and this time, 2 wheels. See you next time.